Recording, yes. So let's begin our day 7 of our magic book journey. And the name of today's chapter is Magical Way Out of Negativity. So it's a very, very powerful, very, very beautiful chapter. We really have to be attentive. I don't know how many are joined in. Okay, 8 of them have joined. Out of 19 people, only 8 have joined. So, okay. So it's a very beautiful chapter, and today's chapter is giving us a lot of information. So हम इसको just, and today is the last day of the first week, 7th day. And there is a reason I'm so surprised how Rhonda Byrne has defined the structure of the entire book. मतलब एक स्टेप, सेकेंड स्टेप, कौन सा स्टेप पहले लेना है, कौन सा सेकेंड लेना है, कौन सा थर्ड लेना है, इतना साइंटिफिकली डिजाइन किया हुआ है. एंड we are going to get a lot of things from today's chapter. So I request everyone, if you have thought that you will do something and you will then listen to the live sessions, please keep yourself free, disengaged from whatever activities जो आपने सोचा है. आपको लगे तो आप अभी सारा instructions दे के आ जाइए, so that you're not disturbed. जो भी आपको and I think that is expected every day, because that's the reason I chose this morning session, because we all are free, this time of the hour. कि हमारे जो commitments जो होते हैं, duties, responsibilities, they can wait till 6:45, 7, so that we can actually do a concentrated practice जो भी हम कर रहे हैं इस book के जरिए, through the book. Okay, so yes, so let's talk about yesterday's experience. How was it yesterday? Anybody has anything to experience? Any sharings any sharings about your experience yesterday? Jo invisible manager, it was very beautiful and very easy yesterday's practice. Did you remember to tell your invisible manager to make a note for you, and the manager is there still? It's not that it was there only yesterday. अब वो manager, अब आपको पता है कि that manager is there. You have experienced it. कुछ ऐसा experience हुआ yesterday जिससे आपको शायद आप लिखवाना भूल गए, पर किसी ने आपको याद दिलाया, या आपने जब लिखवाया तो उसके बाद में आपके how was your day? After practice, okay, Gina. After practice, I felt I could manage everything easily and calmly. Yes.
कल बहुत सारे ग्रेटिट्यूड्स याद आए, इतने सारे याद आए ना, काउंट ही नहीं कर पाते. बाथरूम में गए तो टैप को थैंक यू फॉर रनिंग वाटर, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम. किचन में गए तो फ्रिज, मिक्सी, एवरीथिंग वी यूज्ड एवरी डे, जो रोज यूज करते हैं, मगर कभी ग्रेटिट्यूड फील नहीं हुआ था.
तो आपने लिखवाना था, इसके लिए याद आया ना?
कल वॉशिंग मशीन, सब कुछ, मतलब एक एक चीज पूरे नाइट तक एक एक चीज याद आती रही कि हाँ ये है जो हम रोज करते हैं, मगर कभी ग्रेटिट्यूड फील नहीं किया कि इसने हमारा वर्कलोड कितना कम किया है, कितना हमें इजी लाइफ दे दी है.
Yes, thank you for sharing.
Yeah, very true. She is telling it perfect, because कल का असर आज तक रहा. सुबह उठ के मटके के पास पानी पीने गए, तब भी पानी को भी थैंक यू बोला, ग्लास को भी थैंक यू बोला.
Lovely.
पूरे दिन वो ग्रेटिट्यूड का इफेक्ट रहा है पूरे दिन.
So take it forward, don't stop here. इसको आप आगे और deeply लेके जाना, and today's chapter will take you more deeper. I'm so glad that both of you shared, because आज की जो चैप्टर है वो इसी डायरेक्शन में और हमें अंदर लेके जाने वाली है. यस.
और कल रात को फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ जब मैंने मैजिक रॉक प्रैक्टिस की, तो मैंने हाथ में यहाँ पे रॉक रखा है, तो आई फेल्ट, मुझे वहां पे वाइब्रेशन फेल्ट हुआ. और इतना ही नहीं, जब मैंने उसे अपनी जगह वापस रख दिया रात को, तो भी मुझे काफी टाइम तक मेरे हाथ में वो जैसे है ऐसा वाइब्रेशन फील होता रहा. कल फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने ये वाइब्रेशन फील किया है.
Awesome, very good. And what you could do is, Pooja ji, you can just put it under your pillow and go to sleep.
या आई एम कीपिंग इट अंडर माय पिलो. जब मैंने कर लेती हूँ तो मैं उसको अंडर पिलो के नीचे ही रखती हूँ. मॉर्निंग आई टेक एंड कीप इट एट दैट प्लेस.
Lovely, lovely. Nice. Awesome. Anybody else has any sharings? Okay, Pooja ji, would you like to read, since day before yesterday you wanted, and so today if you want you can read.
मैम आई एम हैविंग कोल्ड टुडे.
Okay, ठीक है. So
शायद बार
whenever.
बार स्नीजिंग होगी ना तो डिस्टर्ब होगा सबको.
Okay, okay, okay. Anybody who else wants to read?
I can read.
Okay. So the magic, I'll just share the screen. Oh, one sec. I forgot to do one thing. One sec.
Decoding.
हाँ, एक second. Yeah, now you will be able to see. हाँ. So day 7, the magical way out of negativity. Let's see the picture. Let's enter this picture and let's create a story around the picture.
Can I say
just
something? Can I say something?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a door. I think ये दरवाजा कोई भी एक चीज का है, घर का नहीं सोच रही मैं, कि जो खोलने से हमारा मतलब दिल का दरवाजा खोलेंगे तो ग्रेटिट्यूड भी इतना ही बढ़ जाएगा और यूनिवर्स भी वो इस तरह से अपने पर ब्लेसिंग का भी दरवाजा खोल के हमको बहुत सारा ब्लेसिंग देगी.
अगर हम अपने दिल का दरवाजा खोलेंगे तो यूनिवर्स विल गिव अस लॉट ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स.
या जितना खोलें. हाँ.
Yes, yes. Okay, lovely. Lovely. Yes, who's sharing? आपकी voice crack हो रही है. Somebody is sharing. We can't hear you. Your voice is cracking. Somebody else wants to share? So negativity is going out and magic is entering in. Yes.
मैम जैसे रोशनी आते ही अंधकार दूर हो जाता है, वैसे ही ग्रेटिट्यूड आते ही नेगेटिविटी दूर हो जाती है.
Yes, so that's what Gina ji is also written. Negativity is going out and magic is entering in. Yes. Yes, how? With the power of gratitude.
Gratitude.
Yes. कृतज्ञता से ये हो रहा है. Yes. Anybody else? So let's see what is there outside. जो darkness की दुनिया है, वो अब धीरे धीरे dissolve हो रही है, because even though the light, जो light की दुनिया है, जो रोशनी की दुनिया है, उसमें you know, even though it's a small streak of light, ये छोटी सी light भी enter हो रही है, it will dissolve all the darkness. It has the power to dissolve all the darkness. And how? Because धीरे धीरे वो light spread होती. Light grows always. As for the shadow, it's merely a shadow and will disappear in the growing light. So जो light है, that will always grow. Because अगर darkness है, तो darkness will dissolve in the growing light. Because light का धर्म ही ये होता है कि वो spread होता है. Light की nature ही ये होता है कि वो it spreads. It doesn't restrict itself. जैसे gratitude is, you know, the more gratitude you give, the more you receive, the more abundance you receive. जितना आप प्रेम देते हो उतना आपको प्रेम मिलता है, जितना आप लव देते हो उतना लव मिलता है. वैसे ही so light का जो purest form है, that is love, and और उसके पहले is gratitude. We saw in the feeling chart, right? हमने feeling chart जिन लोगों ने किया था, जब when we did, you were there. You remember the feeling chart जिसमें love was first and then gratitude, and love के ऊपर there was only light, sunlight or the rainbow was there. So like that, even if it's a small magic which has happened in your life right now, don't feel, you know, if it has started happening means you've started experiencing the world of magic. So don't hesitate in sharing. आपका थोड़ा सा भी sharing है, उसको अगर और grow करना है, then keep on sharing. If the magics, if you want to have more and more magics in your life, then share whatever you have. And the more and more gratitude the space of gratitude you are in, the more and more the light will increase in your life situations. Okay, so जैसे आपने कल महसूस किया कि everything went easily and calmly, how did that happen? Because now you know we are developing the muscle in the world of gratitude. धीरे धीरे हमारी muscle develop हो रही है. Okay, so the old muscle जो tight हो जाती थी, taut हो जाती थी, small हो जाती थी, that is all going away now. So let's start reading the chapter. Today is a long chapter, so let's start reading. Yes.
A thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. Barullah, 1817 to 1892, Persian founder of the Baha'i faith. Whether it's a relationship in turmoil,
Financial pressure,
a lack of health, or problems in a job, negative situations arise because of a lack of gratitude over a long period of time. If we are not grateful for each thing in our lives, we are unintentionally taking those things for granted. Taking things for granted is a major cause of negativity, because when we take things for granted, we are not giving thanks in return, and we stop the magic happening in our life. Just as giving thanks to others will always lead to our life magically increasing, so must taking things for granted always lead to our life decreasing.
So a thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. Let's look into our lives. You know, हम अगर जितने, जैसे कल हमने बहुत बार we felt gratitude and we were thankful, तो सारे circumstances चाहे कुछ भी था हमारे चारों तरफ, हमने सोच लिया था कि now we have to make a long list. First, सबसे पहले thought वो आया था कि today we are going to make a long list of telling our invisible manager, because the chapter is telling us to do, and we actually accepted it. So then what happened was वो सर्कल शुरू हुई और वो सर्कल और बहुत सारे situations ऐसे आए जिसमें we were thankful because the mind had accepted that idea. So जो कृतज्ञ व्यक्ति होता है वो सभी परिस्थितियों में कृतज्ञ होता है. It doesn't make a difference कि ये ऐसा मेरे हिसाब से, you know, it's happening according to me or not, but the person is really thankful because the person knows, because the person has got the taste of it now. So yesterday you got a taste of what happens when you are grateful, what happens when you are thankful, because वो पूरे दिन करना था, because you had to make a long list, right? So now onwards we understand. See, that's why this quote came today. A thankful person is thankful under all circumstances. So कोई भी एरिया में, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप के एरिया में हो, चाहे वो करियर के एरिया में हो, बिजनेस के एरिया में हो, हेल्थ के एरिया में हो, जॉब में हो, कुछ भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन आए तो उसे बस that is a sign, that is a signal for you that आपकी ग्रैटिट्यूड इस एरिया में कम है और अभी से नहीं, बहुत टाइम से. So now what do you do? So whether it's with your kids, whether it's with your spouse, whether it's with your in-laws, whether it's in your job with your boss, या कोई employees के साथ में, या कोई vendor के साथ में, just think कि अगर इनके साथ अगर कोई negative situation आज आई है मेरी life में, so it's a clear indication from the universe that मेरी gratitude इस person से इस area में कम है. So now what is the next step? We all know. Sit down and write your blessings for that person. Either उस दिन आप सुबह जब count your blessings लिखते हो तो just choose that one area, और उसके अलावा, you know, it doesn't take, अगर आप 5 मिनट भी है ना आपके पास, or you can just take out 5 minutes, that's enough. 5 मिनट में आप 15 चीज लिख सकते हो. एक बार जब आप लिखना शुरू करोगे इट विल जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग आउट, इट विल जस्ट स्टार्ट स्पिलिंग आउट, और फिर वो शायद 15 से भी मतलब आप यू वोंट बी एबल टू स्टॉप, बट एक बार फ्लो में आना जरूरी है. सो देन यू नो दैट एक तो ये कि आपकी ग्रैटिट्यूड उस एरिया में कम है, और दूसरी तरह से और आप सोच सकते हो कि आपने उन चीजों को ग्रांटेड ले लिया है. You've just taken for granted that what's the big deal? This is there with me and it's always will be there with me. Nobody can take this away from me. No, this is a wrong thought. So just rectify yourself. अभी उसी समय जैसे ही ये thought ऐसे thoughts आए कि my parents are there for me, my husband is there for me, and you know what's a big deal? It's I wake up in the morning and I have my helpers there for me. उनका काम ही ये है because I'm giving them money. No, that's also very important area in your life where we all need to look into. So just identify for yourself आपको कहाँ कहाँ पे लगता है कि कुछ तो है, you know, something is lacking, you know, that it's not that happy and joyful relationship. Then just identify and you know what to do, just to be thankful. So that invisible manager is still there with you, remember. एक दिन के लिए नहीं था. That manager is still there with you. You can just make you know, it's like a game you are playing with the invisible manager. And actually, you know what, since last 1 week my husband and myself, we have started playing this game wherein we have made a we have made a whiteboard आप कोई chart paper में भी लिख सकते हो. So that should be actually there in front of you every time. तो एक तो जब आप उसे देखते हो तो हमने अपने लिविंग रूम में रख दिया वो व्हाइट बोर्ड को, और we have made columns. So my husband, myself and my son, all three of us, हमने वो तीन कॉलम बनाए, और उसमें ये था कि गेम क्या है, ऐसा करना है कि अगर हमने जितनी बार एप्रिशिएट किया, जितनी बार थैंकफुलनेस दिया, जितनी बार ग्रैटिट्यूड किया, उतना पॉइंट्स वी गेट. सो 1 point, 1 gratitude, 1 point, 1 thankfulness, 1 point. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि आपको आपके साथ कोई होना चाहिए. सो इफ आई एम बीइंग ग्रेटफुल देन माय somebody should be there in front of me to vouch that yes you are actually being grateful. ऐसे नहीं कि just for the sake of saying. So feeling के साथ में बोला कि नहीं. So it's the decision is on the other person whether the person felt that I really I'm feeling or not. और फिर that person gets, you go and write on the board 1. फिर दूसरी बार हुआ तो उसको 2 कर दिया. ऐसे करके at the end of the day whoever gets the highest point will get a dairy milk.
Oh, so nice.
That is what the game we are playing, and actually it's really funny. You can just, you know, it's really, you get into that playful mode and आप सोचते रहते हो पूरे टाइम, okay अभी मेरे को points increase करने हैं, because you know the mind is really clever. जब तक कुछ मिले नहीं ना तब तक कुछ देते नहीं है हम, because that's what the habit is since childhood. That's fine, it's a human psychology, so that's okay. So use that psychology for a better thing. You know, it is said na that through the mind only you can change the mind. So that's what is happening. So you can also start doing this. अपने जितने लोगों को आपको involve करना है, you can involve and you can start playing this game. Yes, please continue.
Are you grateful for your health when it's good? Or do you only notice your health when your body gets sick or hurts? Are you grateful for your job every day? Or do you only value your job when you hear there will be cutbacks? Are you grateful for your pay or salary every single time you receive it? Or do you take your pay or salary for granted? Are you grateful for your loved ones when everything is running smoothly? Or do you only talk to others about your loved ones when there are problems? Are you grateful when your car is working well? Or do you only think of your car when it breaks down?
So we are talking of living and non-living things, everything. So जब I mean we say it non-living, but actually even a car has life in it. So I remember once it happened with my tape recorder, actually not with the car. So all the non-living things जो हम सोचते हैं non-living है पर उनमें भी life होती है. So what happened was I'm talking of 12-13 years back. So वो टेप रिकॉर्डर का जो इजेक्ट होता है जिसमें कैसेट डालते थे, इफ यू रिमेम्बर ऑल ऑफ यू, अभी तो वो यूज हम करते ही नहीं है, बट जिसमें वो उसको इजेक्ट करके वो खुलता था और उसमें कैसेट डालते थे, उसके उधर एक छोटा सा एक हेयर जितना पार्ट वाज देयर, विच जस्ट केम आउट, जैसे इजेक्ट किया वो भी निकल के बाहर आ गया. सो वो उसको कैसेट को सपोर्ट कर रहा था. सो दैट वाज नॉट हैपनिंग. So now what? So luckily that part came in front of my eyes. Otherwise, I'm telling you, it was just hair jitna patla, or it was just about 2 centimeters in length. Itna chota sa tha, itna chota. So then what happened? It came into my hands and I thought, so just closed my eyes. That time I read the magic book for the first time. तो मैंने मुझे पता था कि I can visualize and I can just fit this in. इतना मुझे फीलिंग आ गई थी. सो मैंने उसे लिया हाथ में and I just took it in my hands. And वो एक प्लकर लिया. प्लकर से I just put it where it was supposed to go. And I just closed my eyes and I just gave an intention that this fits in beautifully. ये पूरा फिट हो गया है और मैं अपना कैसेट डाल रही हूँ और वो कैसेट पूरा फिक्स होके अंदर रह गया है, फिक्स हो गया है. And then when I shut, the tape recorder is playing. I did this and believe me, वो इतना सा पार्ट, मतलब इतना सा पार्ट पहले तो मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है, वो मिला and then it fitted in and it was fine. So ऐसे बहुत सारे examples है, but I would not make it long. So just remember this example right now, that even when you think of your car, when it breaks down, just give your happy energies to the car. You can actually talk to the car and the car will talk to you. I'm telling you, you can try doing this. Okay, so I would not like to, I mean, maybe sometime later I'll share about the car also, but it really works. So yesterday's chapter also we read about all this, that when you are not grateful for your health, then what happens? When you are not grateful for your job, then what happens? Then when you're not grateful for your loved ones, when everything is fine, then what happens? So today it's when your car is not working properly. I mean, when it's working well, then how are you treating it? When it's not working properly, when a breakdown comes in your life, then what happens? And very beautiful, the next line, are you grateful to be alive each day, or do you take your life for granted? जब हम सुबह उठते हैं, just welcome that day and say to yourself, wow, so beautiful. I've got one more day to live so happily and beautifully. Today is the most beautiful day of my life. Just start your day saying this and then see how your day goes. You can start reading from Taking Things for Granted.
Taking things for granted results in complaining, negative thoughts and words. So when you complain, by the law of attraction, you must bring more things into your life to complain about. If you are complaining about the weather, the traffic, your boss, your spouse, your family, a friend, a stranger, waiting in lines, bills, the economy, the cost of something, or the service of a company, you are not being grateful, and you are pushing your dreams life further away with every complaint.
So complaining can happen in all these areas. हम किसी से बात करते हैं, okay, how are you? कैसा चल रहा है? You'll say, the weather is so bad today. I mean, the question is something and you'll start talking of the weather. या फिर, if about the economy of the country, what is happening. And right now we have only one topic to talk about. जिससे भी बात करेंगे, the only topic is how many cases are there in the building, what is happening in your city, and all these things. Everybody is fine in the house, और अगर किसी को कुछ हुआ है, तो then how is the person feeling? Just stop doing this. Just stop talking, because आप उस चीज को और ज्यादा energy दे रहे हो. Just remember that the virus also has its own energy. Let's stop. When somebody asks me this, I just tell the person that let's not talk about it. Let's talk something else. Either I will change the topic, or I will just, if the person doesn't understand, still after 2 minutes, the same topic begins. just tell them quietly, politely that why don't we talk something else? How, let's talk that what all good things have happened during the lockdown. आपकी life में क्या क्या अच्छी changes हुई है, positive changes हुई है. And when you start talking that ना, you will come up with such beautiful things. So जब भी complaining mode में, चाहे you're waiting in lines, you're paying the bills, the cost of something, और किसी company का service, आपने किसी water purify वाले की company से कोई some person, some mechanic has come, and the person is not doing the work properly, and you start complaining about the company, you go to the company. So all these are what? You're not being grateful. And if you are not being grateful, then just remember one thing. आपने जो ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाई है, यू आर पुशिंग योर ड्रीम लाइफ अवे फ्रॉम यू. आप और एक कंप्लेन से 10 स्टेप्स पीछे जा रहे हो. आपने शायद आज कुछ ऐसा किया कि आपने you have gone closer, you're moving closer to your dreams, but एक complain कर दी तो वापस आप 10 step पीछे चले गए. So now all of us decide what we want to do. Please continue.
Now you understand that complaining, negative thoughts and words, and taking things for granted stops the good things in your life. Now you understand that even something goes very wrong, you have unintentionally not been grateful enough. It's impossible to be negative when you are grateful. It's impossible to criticize and blame when
you are grateful.
It's impossible to feel sad or have any negative feelings when you are grateful. And the best news in that, if you have any negative situation in your life currently, it won't take a long period of time to transform them with gratitude. The negative situations will disappear in a puff of smoke, just like magic.
Yes. So if the best news is that if you have any negative situation in your life currently, I would, my invitation to all of you is just identify anything in your life, any negative situations, if you can feel it right now, and just after the session, if that is come in front of you, just start writing things you're grateful for. Or right now, also in your mind, you can just visualize. And you will notice that suddenly, out of nowhere, the negative situation will disappear like a puff of a smoke. Like, when somebody is smoking and the smoke is there in front of you, or you see the smoke coming out of the chimney, या कहीं से भी smoke आ रहा है, somebody has lit up a fire and the smoke is coming, वो smoke थोड़ी देर में diffuse हो जाता है, it just disappears. So just like that, the negative situation will just disappear. Yes, please continue.
First, as difficult as it may be, you have to look for things to be grateful for in the negative situations. No matter how bad things are, you can always find something to be grateful for, especially when you know that your gratitude will magically transform every negative circumstances. Walt Disney, who knew about the true magic of life, showed us how to do this in his movie Pollyanna.
Yes, so today is the first assignment for today is that you have to watch the movie Pollyanna. It's on Netflix. I think if I have the link, I will send it to you. I'll send it on the group and you can just watch that movie. It's a beautiful movie of a girl, an 11-year-old girl who lost her parents at that age. And then, how she, her aunt, her Masi, calls her to stay and how she's treated initially, and then still she's being grateful for everything, every small thing she's glad. So she plays that glad game every time in her life, even the smallest of the things, like even when she's late for dinner and Amasi just gives her milk and bread, and she says, because she's a very disciplined person, so there's a fixed time which is being told for dinner, there's a fixed dinner time, and she doesn't come because she's in a very playful mood. And then she's very happy that, she says that I'm so happy, I really love milk and bread. And she eats it happily. So like that, there's so many situations that come in her life. And it's a very, very beautiful movie. I would request all of you to see this movie today because there are a lot of learnings which are there in the movie, and we can all have, we can all become like Pollyanna. She's a very, very sweet girl. Yes, please continue reading.
Disney's 1960 movie Pollyanna featured the Glad game, which had a profound effect on me when I was a child. I played the Glad game featured in the movie through my childhood and adolescence. To play the Glad game, you look for as many things as you can to be glad about, especially in a negative situations. Finding things to be glad about or finding things to be grateful for in a negative situations make the solutions appear.
Yes, please continue.
Walt Disney demonstrated the magical power of gratitude in Pollyanna, and thousands of years earlier, Buddha demonstrated the way to use the same magical power when he said, "Let us rise up and be
Read this very slowly. Read this very slowly. It's a very beautiful lines. Yeah.
sure. Let us rise up and be thankful. For if we didn't learn a lot today, at least we learn a little. And if we didn't learn a little, at least we didn't get sick. And if we got sick, it at least we didn't die. So let us all be thankful. Gautam Buddha,
Circa 563 BC
BC,
and 483 BC,
founder
founder
of
of Buddhism. Yes, so let's look into these beautiful lines. So when we rise, when we wake up in the morning, let's be thankful. Let's rise. Let us rise. Utho and be thankful. Just uthiye and be thankful. For just why be thankful? Agar charo taraf, there negativity around you, but still in that situation also be thankful that at least we, for if we didn't learn, agar हमने थोड़ा भी नहीं सीखा, तो at least we learned a little. And if we didn't learn a little, थोड़ा भी, अगर थोड़ा भी हमारी life में changes नहीं आए हैं, तो at least we didn't get sick. We are still having this house. We're still having such a beautiful place. We're living in one of the most beautiful areas in the city. We have got all the things around us. At least we didn't get sick. And if we didn't get sick, at least we didn't die. Beautiful, really beautiful. Just think about it. Think about the world, what is happening. Think around you what all is going on. And see which space you are in right now. How thankful we are. So let us all be thankful. This was said by Gautam Buddha so many years back. We all know who Gautam Buddha is. And, these lines, I think so you should write and put it wherever you want to. It's so powerful. Please continue.
let Buddha's words be your inspiration, and today take problem or negative situation in your life that you most want to resolve and look for 10 things to be grateful for. I know it can be challenging to being this practice, but Buddha is showing you the way to do it. Make a written list of 10 things on your computer or in your gratitude journal. As an example, your problem might be that you are out of work, and despite your best efforts, you are still unemployed. To magically turn this situation around, you have to do a concentrated practice of gratitude on the situation. Here are some examples of what you might say. One.
Please continue. Yeah.
Yeah. One, I'm so grateful to have had more time for my family during this period. Second, I'm grateful that my life is in a lot better order because of the spare time I have. Third, I'm grateful that I have had a job most of my life and that I am experienced. Fourth, I am truly grateful that this is the first time I have been unemployed.
Please listen to every point very carefully. If it really resonates with you, if you are really in a situation like that, where you are out of work or your work is less, whatever, just listen to each thing carefully. You might connect to many of the things which has been said in this example. Yes.
5, I'm grateful that there are jobs out there and more new jobs are appearing each day. 6, I'm grateful for all the things I have learned in applying for jobs and in going for interviews. 7. I am grateful that I have my health and that I can work.
Just remember one thing, something wonderful is always on the verge of happening. Yes, so all these points which we are reading just tells us that something wonderful is always on the verge of happening. Yes.
8. I am grateful for my family's encouragement and support. 9. I am grateful for the rest I have had because I needed it. 10. I am grateful that through losing my job, I have realized how much having a job means to me. I had never realized that until now.
Yes, so all these points just boil down to one thing, that if a negative situation has come in your life, which we feel as negative, but if you think of the bigger plan, so there is always a smaller picture and a bigger picture. Bigger plan kya hai? So right now this is so apt for us to understand right now, that whatever is happening in the world, in the economy, whether it's any area, what the economy of the country or the world, or let's look at ourselves, whatever is happening in our life right now, there is always a bigger thing, something wonderful is waiting for us there. Only thing is we need to ask for it, and this magic book is teaching us. The magic book is teaching us कि हमने कहाँ पे अपनी लाइफ में एक्चुअली हमने गड्ढे खोदे अपने लिए. We only did it. तो उन गड्ढों को भरना है अभी हमें. कैसे? ग्रैटिट्यूड से. एवरी एरिया ऑफ आवर लाइफ हमने ही गड्ढे खोदे हैं. अब उन गड्ढों को खुद कौन भरेगा? Nobody else is going to come. This magic book has come in our life as a life savior. It's teaching us कि आपको ही आपके गड्ढे भरने होंगे, और अलग अलग तरीकों से the book is teaching us. Every chapter is teaching us that how do you do it. उनको उनके ऊपर fertile मिट्टी कैसे डालें, उसको उनमें वाटर डालना, उसके अंदर खाद डालना, वो सब हमारा ही काम है, ताकि वी कम बैक टू द स्पेस वेयर वी वर इन. कहते हैं ना कि व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ द डिफरेंट युगस, जैसे पहले सतयुग था, देन इट वाज द्वापर, राइट? देन त्रेता. No, first Satyug, then Treta, then Dwapar, and then now is Kalyug. All the 4 yugas. So it is, of course, I've heard at many places and I've read also that this time is a very unusual time, wherein तो हर समय क्या होता था, that yuga was used to get destroyed. जैसे प्रलय आता था और वो पूरा खत्म हो जाता था, and then the new yuga used to come. But this time it's really beautiful. Kalyug एक ऐसा, अब you be at some places, so इस बार पहली बार ऐसा होगा कि the previous yug, which is Kalyug, will not be destroyed completely, but parallelly Satyug भी चालू हो जाएगा. So if we are into this world of gratitude, actually don't you feel at times जब बहुत सारा gratitude, thankfulness निकलता है, like what happened with you, Pooja ji, yesterday, that if you really experience being grateful throughout the day, then when you look outside, जब आप बाहर देखते हो, या if you step out on the road and you're walking, you feel that you are completely in a different world. Anybody has experienced this? Anytime? That इस world में रहते हुए भी you feel that you have gone to a different world altogether. Nobody has experienced? Okay, so maybe that will come up very fast if you are into the practice. So that is what is that Satyug bhi idhar hi hai, Kalyug bhi idhar hi hai. This is the first time this is going to happen in the history of mankind. So we don't, in the same body we will experience, in the same mind we will experience, because हमारी mind की frequency अभी, if you choose to increase the frequency of your mind, that is what is going to happen when we are in the grateful state. जब हम every moment, every breath में if we are being grateful, actually what are you doing? You are increasing the vibrations of your body. और अगर 1, 2, 3 ऐसे millions of लोगों की vibrations increase हो जाएंगी, तो what will happen? The vibration of the entire earth will increase. और उस पर्टिकुलर जगह पे जहां पे बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जिनकी vibrations high है, there the satyug will start. The new world will begin. You can say satyug, you can say new world, you can say anything. Okay, so just by this example, you know, जो भी now you have to decide कि अगर छोटी सी भी नेगेटिविटी आपकी लाइफ में है, which could आपके हिसाब से बहुत बड़ी है, but just think at the bigger picture. Is it really worth it? Is it worth it that I should just crib on that? I should just complain on that thing? Yes? So please continue. Just ask yourself this question. Keep on asking yourself this question. Yes, please continue.
As a result of the unemployed person's gratitude, they will attract different circumstances, and their current situation must and will magically change. The power of gratitude is greater than any negative situation, and there are unlimited ways that the negative situation can change. All you have to do is practice gratitude and watch the magic take place. Let's take another example. A son whose relationship with his father is troubled. The son feels that no matter what he does, it never seems to be good enough for his father. Number one, I am grateful that most of the relationships in my life are really good. Second, I am grateful to my father for working hard so that I could have the education that he didn't get to have. 3. I am grateful to my father for supporting our family through my childhood because I didn't have a clue then how much hard work and money it took to keep our family going. 4. I am grateful to my father for taking me to basketball every Saturday when I was a child. 5. I am grateful that my father is not as tough on me these days as he used to be in the past. 6. I am grateful that my father cares so much about me because he wouldn't be tough if he didn't care so much. 7. I am grateful that through my relationship with my father, I have learned to have compassion and a greater understanding with my children. 8. I am grateful to my father for showing me how important encouragement is in raising happy, confident children. 9. I am really grateful when I get to laugh with my father. Some people never got to do that because they didn't have a father. And for others who have lost their father, they will they will never have the chance to laugh with their father again.
Number
I'm-
10.
number
10. Yeah.
I'm so truly grateful that I have my father because amid the tough times, there have been good times, and there will be more good times ahead with my father.
So what is happening? These two examples, what is happening in these two examples as we are reading? Any guesses, anyone? क्या हो रहा है ये दो एग्जाम्पल्स जो हम पढ़े हैं, हमने समझा, हमने सुना, उससे क्या हो रहा है? What is happening?
जो भी सिचुएशन क्रिएट हुई है आपके साथ, उसको वेलकम करो और उसके अच्छे एज पे ध्यान दो.
हाँ, but what is happening? What is changing in your body and mind?
The
Look
feeling
deeper.
for that situation.
Sorry.
The feeling for that situation is changing.
Yes, the feelings is changing. The feelings, and once the feeling changes, then the entire thing changes. The entire situation changes. And remember, a change of feeling is a change of destiny. You are actually changing your destiny when you're writing, and writing is really important. Don't think that मैंने मन में सोच लिया और मैं सोचती जा रही हूँ, कुछ और काम करती जा रही हूँ और सोचती जा रही हूँ. नहीं. You have to do a concentrated practice. Sit and write in your gratitude journal. Okay, so today you'll have to choose like this a negative situation in your life. Okay, which उसको जिसको आपको याद करते ही your vibrations change. चाहे वो 10 साल 20 साल 25 साल पहले वो situation आपकी life में हुई हो, लेकिन उसकी memories अभी भी है. Cellular memories जो हम कहते हैं, that cellular memories are still there. And right now also, if you remember, or any point of time if you see that person or you remember that yaad aa jata hai wo situation, then you feel that suddenly my mind changes, my body language changes, everything changes, then just choose that situation. Yes, so as a result, please continue.
As a result of the son's heartfelt feelings of gratitude for his father, he will change their relationship for the better. The son changed the way he thinks and feels about his father, which immediately changes what he attracts from his father. Even though the son was being grateful in his mind at an energetic and quantum level, the son's gratitude will have a magical effects on his relationship, provided he maintains his gratitude by the law of attraction. The son must receive far better circumstances with his father.
Very important. Yeah, sorry. So we'll just pause here. So according to the law of attraction, what is happening? The son has changed the way he thinks. So if we take this example about the son and the father, the son actually changed the way he feels about his father. And then what is happening? He's attracting good things from his father. His thoughts about his father has changed, and now their relationship will also change. But very, very important, provides he maintains his gratitude. ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार कर दिया and okay next time again वापस you've gone into that same mode again. It is quite possible because शायद एक बार नहीं होता है. That's that line which I'm remembering. करत करत अभ्यास जड़मती होत सुजान. तो जितना आप अभ्यास करोगे, इवन जो जड़ होता है, इवन जो स्टिफ होता है, वो भी सॉफ्ट हो जाता है. There's another line to it. I'm not remembering. There's a second line also to it. But just remember this line. जितना आप उसको maintain करोगे, that space को, that gratitude की level को, then actually you will get more and more in your life, in that area of your life. Yes? Everybody understood this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So when we're talking of relationship. So relationship will really begin to improve, but you have to maintain that. That maintenance is really required कि उसको आप उसी वे में आगे लेके जाते हो, और जितना आप करोगे उतना आप और deeper जाते जाओगे. And things, so you're not doing for anyone else. Remember that you're doing only for yourself. You're doing things only for yourself. Okay, just start with that step. कि अगर मैंने ये किया तो things will change in my life only, nobody else's life. Okay, so can we have any other reader? Anybody else wants to read?
Yeah, I want to read. May I? Nupur here.
Yes, okay. So, so beautiful. I was just thinking that if Nupurji, you can read, and you just told your name. I didn't want to say, but I was just waiting for to come from you only, and you just told. Wow, very beautiful. Thank you, Manjusha ji, for reading. Thank you so much. Thank you. Reading was really beautiful. Thank you. Yes.
वंदना जी, मुझे भी जब आपने बोला कि लॉन्ग चैप्टर है, तो तभी मेरे माइंड में भी नुपुर जी का ही नाम आया कि मैं दूसरा मतलब शायद नुपुर जी होंगे.
And आज जब मैंने मंजुषा जी ने जब नॉमिनेट किया ना, तभी भी मुझे लग रहा था कि I want her to nominate today. But फिर मैंने सोचा, okay, next maybe I'll give her a chance again. And so like this, the universe gives us chances. The universe always gives us chances. Remember that.
Yes.
उसे हमें कैसे उसकी मैसेज को हमें कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करना है, that is in our hands. उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को कैसे ग्रास्प करना है, that is in our hands. I'm really getting goosebumps when I'm saying this. Really, I'm telling you, just be aware. Every moment, just be aware. Awareness is the key to anything in life. So just grasp that opportunity, grab that opportunity which comes in your life. Don't wait for the next moment because the universe only likes action. It doesn't like delays. तो जो आपको दिमाग में आए उसे कर डालो. And the result will always be good, because if your intention is good, the result will always be good. Just remember that in life. Okay. Thank you, Veena ji, for sharing. Good, very good. We all are, we all are energetically corrected. Okay, let's
Connected,
ask
yes.
Nupur ji. आपको था दिमाग में कि मुझे रीड करना है, लेकिन आप बोल नहीं पा रहे थे.
Yes, that's the main thing. And we
Wow,
connect.
very
You
good.
connect that, yes. And my
So see-
vibration is just
Yes,
reaching
yes.
you.
So
Yes.
beautiful ना. Now we can
Yes.
understand कि एक collective group में क्या advantages होती है. So many things are coming up today. Collectively जब हम कुछ करते हैं, चाहे वो हमने chanting की, चाहे वो meditation की, चाहे वो हमने कुछ book reading की, चाहे just आपस में, we are talking good things, not just gossiping. I'm not talking of gossiping, not those kitty parties. I'm not talking of all that. But when we are in a powerful group wherein we are connecting with the energies of each other, so we can do wonders. We can do wonders together. Please continue.
Thank you. Remember, you can tell your gratitude is working by the way that you feel. You should feel a lot better about the situation after practicing gratitude. Thus, first evidence of gratitude's magical power working is your feeling lifting. So when you do feel better about it, you know the situation will improve and the solutions will appear. The answer to any negative situation you want to resolve is to focus concentrated gratitude on it until you feel better inside. Then you will see the magic work, its wonder in the outside world.
So remember that you can tell your gratitude, मतलब आपको खुद को महसूस हो जाएगा. Since we know ये महसूसों की दुनिया है, ये feeling की world है. The magical world is all about feeling. So आपको feeling immediately आ जाएगी. And क्या महसूस होगा? You will feel better about the situation. जो भी जिसके लिए भी आपने वर्क करना शुरू किया है, जिसको भी आपने चूज किया है, वो सिचुएशन या तो वो पर्सन में इम्प्रूवमेंट आ जाएगा, और the first thing what will happen is your feelings about that person will change. Maybe पूरी तरह से change नहीं होगा, अगर slightest change भी नजर आया ना, means that you are in the right path. Okay, so and most important is that concentrated gratitude is important. To bring the change, to bring the shift, to bring the magic, concentrated gratitude, uninterrupted practice is very important. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी हमने कर लिया, अभी हमको अच्छा लग रहा है, and the next moment 2 hours afterwards when we get into the usual routine, बच्चों ने कुछ मांगा, कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि हाउस हेल्प ने कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया, कुछ चीज टूट गई, उनसे गिर गई, या हस्बैंड ने कुछ ऐसा बोल दिया, और या वाइफ ने कुछ ऐसा बोल दिया, and then the entire thing dissolves. It is quite possible, but उस समय अपने आप को याद दिलाना है. So ये सब कैसे हमें याद आता है? Because that's the reason there's so many things ना, we are told to write it and put it around us so that बार बार याद आता रहे. And maybe sometime later हम एक अपने सांसों के साथ एक ऐसी एक एसोसिएशन डेवलप करेंगे जिससे कि सांस तो हम लेते ही हैं, we can't stop that, by default it is happening, चाहे हम aware है या नहीं है. Inhalation, exhalation is happening every time. तो उसके साथ में एक connection we will develop, but right now is not the right time to do it. We'll do it later on in some of the other chapters. Yes, please continue.
In making your written list, make sure you list each of the 10 things you are grateful for in the following way. I'm so grateful for, or I'm truly grateful for.
So you have to fill in the blank, हाँ? मतलब आपको start ऐसे करना है. I'm so grateful
Yes.
for whatever. और या फिर next sentence is really beautiful, which I feel really beautiful. वो Pollyanna movie का. Yes, please continue.
Yes. And finish the sentence with what you are grateful for. You can also use Walt Disney's way of using gratitude's magical power if you find it easier. I'm so glad that.
Yes, and finish the sentence with what you're glad about. Yes.
Glad. Yeah. And finish the sentence with what you are glad about. Once you have once you have listed 10 things you are grateful for, finish the magical way out of negativity. Practice by writing, thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution.
These lines are really, really powerful. Very, very powerful. इससे क्या होगा? We'll understand. You know, when you're writing these lines, after लिख दिया आपने 10 points, then you're writing, thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. Resolution का क्या मतलब है? Anybody can look into the dictionary and say what is the meaning of resolution? हिंदी में, गुजराती में, जिसमें भी आप बोल सकते हैं. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution.
The quality of being
The
determined.
quality of being firm and determined.
The quality of being firm and determined. Yes, गुजराती में क्या बोलते हैं? हिंदी में भी say समाधान. What is it in Gujarati?
In Hindi, Sankalp Baddha is also there.
Okay, okay. So thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect samadhan or sankalp. Okay.
In Gujarati, it is ठराव.
Dhara.
ठराव मतलब जैसे किसी में कुछ ठहराव लाना हो, like
Oh, ठहराव लाना हो.
ठहराव, हाँ ठहराव.
Okay, ठहराव. Okay, that's a Hindi word also. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, but this is ठहराव. The matra is not there basically.
Okay, it's ठहराव. Okay.
Yeah.
In Gujarati, you write ठहराव. Okay. In
Yeah.
Hindi, it's ठहराव. Okay.
Yeah.
So wow, very beautiful. So how every language has its own, you know, every word in every language has its own vibrations. But basically, उनकी feeling एक ही होती है. Just understand this. And I really felt this, you know, I don't know whether I've shared it or not, but I'll quickly share it. So when I went to Tirupati once on our 25th anniversary, we were there, and you know, as it was really, we were very lucky. I mean, when I say lucky, I'm just catching myself. Ki doesn't, nothing happens by coincidence. Everything is designed. So when we went there, वो उस समय एक कोई, there was a huge festival which was there in which the marriage of Tirupati ji and Lakshmi ji was taking place. So Tirupati is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu only. So that festival was there that time. And there was a huge gathering of more than 300, 400 people, huge hall in the temple itself. And we were there. So now we were surrounded. So we went there. We had to sit on the floor, and वो सब जैसे rituals it was happening, and the mantras were being chanted, and very beautiful atmosphere, एकदम charged up atmosphere था. So what was happening was the people around us who were sitting. So I wanted to know कि क्या हो रहा है, you know, what is the ritual and all. मैं किसी से कुछ पूछूं तो उनको कन्नड़ language they are speaking, and I don't know Kannada language, they don't know Hindi or English. उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So sign language is the only language which we can understand. But the beautiful part was that, you know, some people, so that when I asked a question and the answer which was coming from the other person was in Kannada. So I just went, you know, I was just thinking, I don't know what happened that time, that I was just into the vibration of the words that she was speaking. And I actually could understand what she's trying to tell me. Luckily, I mean, accidentally what happened was there was a person sitting beside me who could understand Hindi. So when I asked in Hindi that person कि क्या ये ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, इनका बोलने का मतलब ये है क्या? That person said yes. And I was so surprised that, you know what, वो मेरे को क्या revelation हुआ उस समय कि in the core of our hearts are connected with each other. Whether कोई language हम समझ पा रहे हैं या नहीं, whether it's Sanskrit, whether it's Gujarati, whether it's Hindi or English, but अगर हमने अगर उनकी feelings को समझ लिया ना, तो then because the feelings which are coming, feelings will come from the heart. Feelings always come from the heart, not from the mind. तो वो feelings से जैसे ही हम connect हो जाते हैं, then we can understand the language of any person, whether it's French, German, Kannada, anything. So here यहाँ पे the feelings is the same, बस वो words की थोड़े बहुत इधर उधर change है, but वो feeling is the same. The main the root, the core is the same. Core जो होता है ना, जो एकदम center, that is the same. So beautiful, yes. Thank you. Thank you for sharing the meaning also. And this story came up in my mind. This experience came up in my mind. And it was really beautiful. And actually, there were tears in my eyes at time. Ki how, a language which you don't know, but if you connect to the feelings, you can actually understand. And then I was smiling at that person that, yes, I understood what you're saying. Yes, please continue.
And just for today, see if you can get through one day without saying anything negative. It may be a challenge, but see if you can make it.
This is really important. We all have to follow this, that it's a challenge. If it's a challenge, accept this challenge and move further. There's no other choice you have. That today's day is no complaint day. Just one day right from now onwards. Not even in the thoughts, not even in the speech, nothing. Action में तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता है. So thoughts and feelings and words, no complaint today. Yes.
Yeah, through one day, there is an important reason to do this. Because most of us have no idea how much we speak negatively. But you will have an idea after watching your words for a day. Remember that negativity and complaint bring more of those.
More of those things.
Yes, more of those things. And if you are aware of what you are saying, you can stop and decide if you want the consequences of what you are about to say. Here is a magic lifeline you can use. If you notice yourself thinking or saying something negative, stop immediately and say, but I have to say that I am really grateful for. Okay. Finish the rest of the sentence with something, anything that you are grateful for. Take this magic lifeline with you and grab a hold of it whenever you need it. And if any little problem or situation appears in the future, remember to put out the embers with gratitude before it grows into a fire. At the same time, you will ignite the magic in your life.
Yes, so now you can start playing that game which I was just mentioning in the beginning of the chapter. If you really want to, experience this no complaint day, and actually that happens right now. I'm noticing as I was reading through this para that day one में जितनी complaints आई when we started playing the game, my husband, my son and myself, and then the second day, then we realized कि हाँ कितनी complaining आ रही थी दिमाग में, उसको वर्ड्स में आने के पहले ही हमने रोक दिया, बट इट वाज देयर इन द थॉट्स. नहीं रोका क्यों? बिकॉज वो पॉइंट्स कट हो जाते ना इसके लिए. एंड देन वी रियलाइज कि कितनी सारी कंप्लेंट्स आ रही थी. सेकेंड डे दैट ऑल्सो रिड्यूस लिटिल बिट. थर्ड डे वो और कम हो गई. एंड देन व्हेन दैट हैपेंड वी एक्चुअली फेल्ट दैट हैप्पीनेस, कुछ अनएक्सप्लेनेबल हैप्पीनेस. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि व्हाई एम आई हैप्पी. So I actually found myself one day, I actually found myself whistling, and I was quite surprised कि what am I doing? I was whistling at myself, मतलब खड़े-खड़े I was whistling, and वो whistle मेरे से हो नहीं रही थी, एकदम धीरे-धीरे आवाज आ रही थी. So when we are very happy, we do such things. Our body starts showing, doing certain things. Our body language changes. So this is the beauty of the thing. If you really want to choose that for yourself, and today you have got no choice, you have to choose. The book has given you no choice. It's a no complaint day, and you have to watch your words for a day and see. Tomorrow, everyone is going to share. Everyone is going to share, and I want everyone to do this today and share tomorrow. Okay? Yes, everybody, are you ready to do this?
Yes.
And share tomorrow?
Yes.
I've got only one yes.
Yes, yes.
There are 15 participants.
Yes.
Everyone
Yes.
is going to share this.
Yes.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you, thank you. So yes, so one very beautiful thing we have in this chapter is a lifeline. जैसे कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में we had a lifeline, right? And Amitabh Bachchan used to say, computer G. So now you have to say your mind G, you have a lifeline. That whatever, अगर मुंह पे मतलब वो words आ गए तो आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं आपने स्टॉप किया लेकिन एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो रही है अंदर, सो देन जस्ट से, या मुंह से निकल भी गया, यू नो दैट वर्ड्स निकल गए मुंह से, गलती से निकल गए, कुड बी पॉसिबल, डोंट फील गिल्टी देन, जस्ट smile at yourself, accept what has happened and say, but I have to say I'm really grateful for whatever comes in your mind right now. Just look around you. Jo bhi, grateful for this light, grateful for my body, grateful for my hands, grateful for my legs, grateful for my eyes, grateful for the tongue from which these words have come out. Anything you can say. Then you will notice that तुरंत आपने वो energies को change कर दी, तुरंत. इससे कि पहले कि वो energy और आगे बढ़े, आपने उसी time dissolve कर दिया. You transmuted that energy. Because energy changes from one form to another, right? हमने पढ़ा है ना ये? Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can just change from one form to another. How many of you remember this?
Yeah, I remember.
Yes, I remember.
Yes.
Yes. So then immediately आपने वो energy को change कर दी. So you know everything in this book has a scientific reason. इतनी effort and time गई है इसको, इस structure को design करने में, and it is designed so beautifully. Let's grab this opportunity. Don't leave this opportunity now. Life में हमारी life situations में change लाने की opportunity we've got. Use this opportunity and keep on using and spreading it. So the last 4 lines is that in future, any situation appears, any smallest of the problem appears in front of your eyes, remember to put out the embers with gratitude. पहली बात तो कि वो situation अगर हम बहुत gratitude करेंगे, over a period of time, the situation will come, but immediately it will, you will be able to put the fire off before it grows into a fire. वो ग्रैटिट्यूड इतना बिल्डअप हो चुका होगा अंदर, ग्रैटिट्यूड की एनर्जी, ग्रैटिट्यूड की फीलिंग इतनी बिल्डअप हो चुकी होगी अंदर कि हर एक सांस में, to the level that when you inhale gratitude, when you exhale gratitude. You know, we will एक चैप्टर आएगा जिसमें you actually will feel that, but it will come later on. I think it's day 23, I think so. Yeah, it's day 23. But it's not, we can start feeling it now only. Jitna aap, every smallest of the things you feel gratitude. Then, before a problem appears, the solution will appear. So a problem will come, before a problem comes, the solution will come before. आपको फिर realize होगा कि wow, the solution came to me before a problem came, and it will happen. I'm guaranteeing you it will happen. Just connect with this world of gratitude, the magical world. Every moment, don't miss out on any of the magical practices. Don't miss out. मतलब ये भी मत सोचना कि मैं ये 1 घंटे बाद वापस करना शुरू करूंगी, नहीं. Just this moment onwards just started. And what is going to happen? You will ignite the magic in your life. Ignite मतलब एक explosion हो जाएगा. Yes, let's continue to read the magical practice.
Magic practice
number 7.
Number 7, the magical way out of negativity. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, choose one problem or negative situation in your life that you most want to resolve. Third, list 10 things that you are grateful for about the negative situation. Fourth, at the end of your list, write thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. Fifth, just for today, see if you can get through one day without saying anything negative. If you notice yourself thinking or saying something negative, use the magic lifeline. Stop immediately and say, but I have to say that I'm really grateful for. 6. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes, so once you've identified that negative situation, agar wo aa gaya aapke samne, then you start writing immediately and remember concentrated practice. Keep yourself free at that time. Don't get disturbed by the surrounding. Just tell everyone very politely that I want half an hour for myself, and don't feel, that how would I say, how can I tell my in-laws, how can I tell my husband, how can I tell my kids? No, just take charge of your life right now and just say मुझे एक आधा घंटा मेरे लिए चाहिए. Just distract all the external distractions. सेल फोन को साइलेंट मोड में, एरोप्लेन मोड में, जिसमें भी रखना है, सेल फोन को अपने से दूर ही रख दीजिए आप. And then start doing this because it's a very, very powerful practice. Remember, it's a very, very powerful practice. And just now when I was reading that this fourth point, when I heard when Nupurji was reading and I was also reading with myself. So at the end of your list, write thank you, thank you, thank you for the perfect resolution. Means what? That you are being thankful to the universe for giving you the solution to that problem. आपने पहले ही thank you बोल दिया universe को. That आपने मुझे ये perfect resolution, perfect समाधान दे दिया, perfect ठहराव दे दिया, you have given me that. So thank you. And the universe will really, really feel so happy that वो resolution आपको तो मिल ही चुका है, दे ही दिया उसने. Okay? Everybody got the magical practice today and the magical lifeline. Aren't you happy to receive this lifeline?
Yes.
Or you don't
Yes.
require this lifeline?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
No, it's required.
Okay, lovely, lovely. So thank you, Nupurji, for reading. You really read it very beautifully and you have a strong and powerful voice. So use this voice.
Okay,
Use this
thank you.
voice for expressing yourself and sharing your views with others. Don't think that you can't talk, you can't express. You have a really beautiful voice. And I mean it. And I really mean it.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for connecting with me.
Yes. And you really have start expressing yourself. You had a sharing, na? I think yesterday or day before yesterday, that I can't express myself.
Yeah, studied that was.
Yeah, so just drop that thought. Just drop that thought. You have an awesome, beautiful, powerful, motivating voice. So use that. Use that to create a difference in your life and in the lives of others. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So anybody has any questions, anything to ask before we end today's session? And I'm so glad that we completed at 6:45, exact sharp. We read the last word at 6:45. Wow, nice. So yes, anybody wants to ask anything, please clarify now, only because everybody will sit with this practice today. Doesn't matter if you've done previously, आपने एक बार दो बार कर लिया, फिर भी आपको करना है आज. You will notice some difference will take place. Okay. So, okay, just a small 2-3 minutes I'll take. Anybody who has done this practice earlier? Did you experience anything जब आपने ये practice की थी पहले, और कुछ आपको महसूस हुआ था, कुछ changes in your world, in that particular thing which you chose? Anybody? Or you didn't manage to do this practice? It's quite possible कि आपने किया नहीं इसको. किया था कि नहीं किया था? People
No,
who,
we did it. Nah, penal.
yes,
Yes, I did it. And after that, many situations were there where negativity came, and immediately we transformed from negativity to positivity. Like it took just a second or two that no, this is not the right thing we are doing, and I just transformed myself without saying gratitude. Initially, I used to practice about gratitude feeling you should be there with, that I am grateful for this situation. But when negativity came, now I immediately transfer it into positivity.
lovely, and it happened automatically, right?
Yes, and sometimes I think situation also comes like that. That don't think like that way. See, there is a positivity in this also.
Yes, so the universe will keep on testing
हाँ.
you. Remember, ये करने के बाद ऐसा नहीं है कि negative situations नहीं आएंगे. Sometimes you will feel, I'm really warning you that sometimes you will feel कि more negative situations will come, then the universe will test. It's just think that time that it's my test, and if I pass this, now I'm not going to get such situations again in my life. Once you learn the lesson, you move forward. First, second, standard say second, second say third, third say fourth, till you graduate, and that is going to happen. Agar life hai, so these situations will come. But now we know how to deal with them. And yes, and depends upon our level of gratitude. Probably, agar abhi 50% hai, so it will become 25. Agar abhi 25 hai, so it will become 10. The intensity will decrease, but it's not that ki life will, there will be no negative situations, but we know how to deal with it. Yes, and we know we have the lifeline, we have everything. What else do we need? Yes.
Now I'll use lifeline also. Actually, I
Yeah.
forgot about the lifeline.
And this resolution part you wrote, thank you for the perfect resolution.
Thank you for the perfect resolution. Yes, everything I did it in the second session. I did everything according to the which was written.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Nice. Like the 10 blessings was the best part for me.
Yeah.
We did writing 10 blessings. It gave me so much positivity that so many things are there, and like for us.
And why was it isn't right now also you're writing or no?
No, that's true that I'm not today. Every day I'm not writing 10 blessings.
So please start writing. Please start writing. Count your blessings. These 10 blessings can become 20, can become 15, can become 12. But don't let them become 5, 6, and don't let them disappear. Don't let them become 0. Write it every single day. आप अगर 3 महीना भी कर लोगे ना एक साथ में, then आपको कुछ incomplete feeling होगी when you wake up in the morning. अपने आप वो बुक और पेन हाथ में आ जाएगा. Wherever, whichever part of the house it is in, you will search for that. You'll get a craving to sit and write down, because that is the point, that is the time when you're connecting to the universe, you're connecting to God, you're connecting with your inner world, you're connecting with yourself, you're connecting to the light. Just take like that. जैसे हम एक, when we sit down to do our daily puja, we feel incomplete ना अगर हम डेली पूजा करते हैं. हमें चाहे वो मैकेनिकली हो रहा हो, चाहे पूजा करने की टाइम वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ आवर बिजनेस, आवर क्लाइंट्स, और एनीथिंग. क्या खाना बनाना है आज, what instructions देना है, which vegetable I have to buy, which grocery I have to buy, all these thoughts is there, but still we are doing it, right? Yes, everybody, do you agree with me or not?
यस यस वंदना जी, मैं वही ये जब ब्लेसिंग्स लिखने बैठते हैं ना, तो कल इतने डेप्थ में चले जाते हैं ना. कल मुझे 30 साल पहले किसी ने मुझे मेरी लाइफ के लिए मुझे हेल्प की थी, तो मैंने उन लोगों को फिर मैसेज किया था. तो वो लोग सरप्राइज ही, उनके मैसेज आया कि वाओ, इतने दिनों, इतने बरसों के बाद तुझे ये ग्रेटिट्यूड, वो थैंक यू के. पर मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि इतने डेप्थ में हम चले जाते हैं ना कि बरसों पहले जिसने किसने हमारी मदद की थी, वहां तक पहुंच जाते हैं.
यस, सो जितना जितना आप, ये कुआं की तरह है, उसका कोई देयर इज like you can say समुद्र की तरह है. समुद्र की डेप्थ को हम नहीं जान सकते ना, वैसे ही ग्रैटिट्यूड की कोई डेप्थ नहीं है, कुछ लिमिट नहीं है, बट मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग इज इट इज देयर विथ यू एवरी टाइम, इट इज पोर्टेबल. रिमेम्बर वी रेड ऑन डे 0, ग्रैटिट्यूड इज पोर्टेबल. जहां आप जाओगे वहां उसे ले जा सकते हो. उसके लिए आपको कोई ऐसा भी नहीं है कि फ्लाइट में कोई रोकेगा कि एक्स्ट्रा बैगेज है कि यू कांट टेक दिस बैगेज विथ यू. इट्स नॉट दैट. It's there with you, it's there around you, it's there inside you, it's there below you. Don't leave that. I'm telling you, don't leave that.
Is
We
like,
just, you know, when you slip, you don't know. And I have experienced that. So please don't do it. Yes.
इज लाइक दैट. आपने बोला समुद्र जैसे ये समुद्र मंथन ही है, हमको उसका मंथन करके उसमें से अमृत निकालना है.
Yes, yes. अमृत निकालना है और साथ साथ में जो और दूसरी
और
चीजें
दूसरी
निकलेगी उसे कैसे डिसॉल्व
कैसे,
करना है.
यस यस
That
यस
we have the lifeline also.
यस यस.
So yes, awesome. So thank you everyone. Then if you have no questions, tomorrow I want all the people to share, and we'll start the class session tomorrow at 5:20. Then if I want everybody to share. Yes, everybody, do you agree with it? Will you be there to share?
Yeah.
Okay, lovely. Thank you everyone for being a part of this wonderful session. Have a magical day, wonderful day, full of magics.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Vandana, you are the magic.
Thank you.